So here's the 4-pack of travel bottles. They come inside this bag. You get 4 squeaky bottles. Ooh, so there's air in there, but I'm pushing it out, but nothing's happening. Oh, interesting. So you could put these in the dishwasher and then set that up. Close it. And you get that nice little top there. And see if I squeeze it. It's okay. Nice. Real nice. I love how easy these are to clean if you stick them in the dishwasher. And then you get these little labels. And they're kind of like, you can barely see it, but you can see like right here, it's a round label. Like, you know, like a rectangular curved edge. It's conditioner, sunscreen, shampoo, body wash, face cream, lotion, soap, and face wash. Cool. So yeah, these are really, really nice. I like that they're all flexible. And that, yeah, I'm squeezing on it. It ain't going nowhere because it's got that seal at the top. These are super nice. And yeah, you can stick them in a dishwasher. Because, like, that's one of the things I hate about these travel bottles is, like, I've gone through, like, a million of them, just disposing of them because I couldn't get them truly clean in the bottom. So these are pretty darn nice. Definitely reusable and definitely nice. I like the tops. Like, I like that. Yes, please and thank you. Oh, there's where the label goes. Oh, so cute. And it's shaped like that. Super cute. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with these. So yeah, there you go.